Here's the tutorial on how to cancel payment plan for patients. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. First, click on the Billing tab. Next, click on Patients. Type in the patient's name at the filter section above. Select patient's name. Click on the name. Click on the drop-down arrow beside the payment plan that you want to cancel. Select Cancel Plan. A prompt box will appear. Type in the reason for canceling the payment plan. Click Confirm. The payment plan is now being canceled. You can view the details of the cancellation on this page. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.